Yo.
Victor,
Yes, Uncle.
please come and give me food. I'm hungry.
Food.
Yes, I'm very, very tired, I beg.
Okay, I'm coming. Sharp, sharp.
The what?
Ha! Chineke me, see sound. Victor!
Uncle,
What is this? This is sound now.
you give me money.
Jesus!
I think when we were going to work in the morning, I told you to give me money for soup. Do you agree?
So,
This sound now.
so I should eat sound?
Yes.
Sound?
The
Obe
what?
will not give me money for food. Wetin they will call am? Obe King.
Jesus!
It's shocking.